Hi guys, Omarr here with the S4. Now today we're going to be looking at the optical reader. Essentially this is OCR. For those of you who don't know what OCR is, optical character recognition. Now the optical reader comes bundled in with the standard apps that you get with the S4. So if we just start the device, start the app here, I've just got a book here that I'm going to be reading today. Well, scanning today rather. It's pretty simple really. The whole point of this app is when you have, for example, a block of text that you want, basically maybe for if you want to copy the text or for whatever reason really, you can scan the text and it will basically scan it and put it on a Word document for you. Or what you can do is you can go onto this application. If you don't understand a certain word or term, then you can select it and it will show you. Now the way you do it is starting from the bottom down on these settings here. You've got the settings for the languages here. If you go back there, and then you got the flash there, and then you have the ability to take a panoramic picture of something really like wide, if you so wish. Basically all it does is works the same way as a normal camera. You take a picture and then you start to slide left or right. We're going to just be doing the normal picture today. Now the top one is basically the meanings of the words, basically the aim pointer as they call it. Now all you do is obviously you make sure that this box thing is over the word and it will show you the meaning. For example, if I will show you, and actually let's do it portrait. Okay, so if I show you that, now it's picked up word there, work rather, and then it shows you some meanings there, work, and then I have to move that over to, let's say, walk, and then it shows me meanings of work and sentences with walking and so on and so forth. So you can do towards and all these other kind of basically words. If you're reading a book and you don't know what certain word means and you want to find out, some people tend to underline the words and find out later. Well, this basically application lets you do it there and then. Now the other main feature of this application is, if I just select the picture icon there, is that you can take the picture, it'll process it and it'll analyze it, and it'll basically copy all of the text into a text file for you. Particularly for me, this would have been particularly useful in my university days when I was in the library and there may not have been enough books to go around, or maybe I wanted to copy a quote that I wanted to use in like an essay or assignment of some sort. And this would have been particularly useful instead of kind of sitting down, writing it down by pen and so forth. What we'll do is basically what we do is we take a picture. We'll do it like this, and then if we just take that picture there, hopefully my light won't be too intrusive, and then it will highlight all the words that it's recognized, as you can see there, most of them, well, I think every single one actually. And then what you do is you select this button here to transfer it over to a Word document, at which point it will give you an option to kind of narrow down the scope as to where or how much text you want. We'll only do, let's just say here, just for the sake of the video. And then if you select done, which we'll do there, it'll just give you a message to say that the default setting is English and all that stuff. And then when you do this, it'll basically just highlight all the text and put it in a text file like so, which you can obviously share to, you know, Dropbox and all that other good stuff for later on, basically. So if you want to copy a load of text off something, this is basically the perfect application to do it. Now obviously you can, as you can see, it's not perfect. I mean, you can see different kind of words that aren't exactly spelled correctly, so you may need to go through it, and but it does all the main work for you. And all you got to do is really kind of spell check and grammar check and stuff like that. So that was just a quick look at optical character recognition, or the optical reader on your Samsung Galaxy S4. Thanks for watching, guys.